Hi students, today we discuss Clemmensen reduction. What is meant by Clemmensen reduction? In Clemmensen reduction, carbonyl compounds are directly converted into alkanes in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Look at here. Carbonyl compounds are reduced to alkanes in Clemmensen reduction. For example, aldehydes undergo reduction in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid form alkane. When we take ethanol, that will be reacted with 4 moles of hydrogen atoms in the presence of zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid form ethane. Similarly, we can take ketone here. When ketone undergo reduction in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid form alkanes. For example, butanone. That means we can also be named as a 2-butanone because the carbonyl group is presented at second carbon. So its name is 2-butanone or butanone but2-1. That will be reacted with 4 moles of hydrogen atoms in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid form butane and water as a final products. The expected mechanism in Clemmensen reaction is as follows. Look at here. The 2-butanone that will be reacted with zinc metal. Here zinc containing 2 valency electrons. Here first carbonyl group, in carbonyl group the 2 electrons that will be shifted to oxygen atom, and that will be whenever the oxygen gains the electron, and that will be gets a negative charge and the carbon will get a positive charge, but the zinc atom will give 2 valency electrons to this carbon atom. The carbon atom takes 2 valency electrons of the zinc atom, and that will be converted as a negatively charged species, carbanion. Now the 2 H plus ions are attacked to this species. The one of the hydrogen atom attacked to carbonyl functional group, and another to negatively charged oxygen species, and that will be converted as a OH, C bond H. Now one more molecule of H plus ion that will be attacked to the OH group, and that will be converted as a OH bond H plus. Now the bond between carbon and oxygen containing 2 electrons, the 2 electrons that will be shifted towards the oxygen atom, and that will be left out from this species. Now the carbon will get positive charge. Now the zinc atom again give its 2 valency electrons to this carbonium cation, and this carbonium cation, after getting of 2 electrons from the zinc atom, that will be converted as a negatively charged species. Now this negatively charged species get 1 H plus ion, and that will be converted as a butane as a final product. This is the mechanism that will be takes place in Clemmensen reduction. Thank you for watching this video.